Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you a Zoom phone tutorial for beginners, setting up and using Zoom's VoIP system. Zoom Phone is a cloud-based VoIP phone system integrated with Zoom's platform, providing voice, video, messaging, and collaboration features. It supports HD audio, call routing, and traditional PBX features, ensuring seamless communication across devices and location. To set up Zoom Phone, Step 1. Access Zoom Phone. Log into your Zoom account and navigate to the Phone tab. If it's your first time, you'll need to assign a license. Assign phone number. In the Zoom admin portal, go to the Phone System Management section. From there, assign phone numbers to users or devices. Third step. Configure call settings. Customize call handling settings like call forwarding, voicemail, and business hours. You can also set up auto attendance and call queues. Step 4. Integrate desk phones, though it is optional. Zoom Phone supports third-party SIP devices like Poly and D-Link. Use the provisioning guide provided by Zoom to connect these devices. Now, key features to explore. Intelligence call routing. Automatically route calls based on condition you set, ensuring no missed connections. Call recording and voicemail transcription. Record important calls and access transcribed voicemails within the app. Unified communication. Seamlessly switch between voice calls, video meetings, and team chats. Caller ID customization. Change outbound caller ID for different business needs. Lastly, using Zoom phones for calls. To place a call, open the Zoom app, go to the Phone tab, and dial a number or search for a contact. In receiving calls, incoming calls can be answered within the Zoom app on desktop or mobile. Now for voicemail access. Check voicemails via the app or receive email transcriptions for easy review. And that's basically it.